Are you seeing vacation rental groups struggle with procurement and opportunities for AI to help them there?
Everybody who operates vacation rentals knows there's a lot of turnover, there's a lot of wear and tear on different items. And so often you have to go back and search and find, hey, 3 years ago, what couch did I buy for this property? Or which was the dining chair? I want to buy that same one again so that I can replace it. And while Host GPO has been around for a while and you can see your purchase history and go back and buy it again, a lot of the times people bought these items before. And so, like, one of the best uses of AI is just the more advanced search functionality that exists in inboxes and across, if you're at a big organization or a big company, or even in your own Gmail account, the ability to search with native language, what did I buy? Which chair did I buy for this property? That will allow you to, pull a much more filtered result as opposed to having to remember, hey, wait, what was the brand, and type in the shipping address and then search through the filters to figure out, what year did I buy that item. So we're seeing a lot of people use just general AI search in their inboxes. Is a pretty interesting tool.
How do you see operators balancing some of the efficiencies that we just talked about with making sure they're maintaining that personal touch for guests?
Just holistically speaking, where is AI fitting into the vacation rental space? Guest communication is probably where the majority of it is. Looking at marketing, and that covers a bunch of different areas, is probably the second biggest one. And I would say procurement is up there as well. But for guest communication, there are a lot of AI tools out there that you can plug into. Vacation rental operators use property management software to
Yeah.
communicate with guests a lot. And there's either internal tools that a lot of the property management softwares are building, or external tools that you can subscribe to. And every operator knows that one of the most expensive parts of vacation rentals are being on 24/7 and wanting to be able to communicate with your guests and answer questions on a fairly regular basis. So rather than having human capital respond to every single guest communication, there's a lot of training of AI chat tools that are starting to rise. And so to your question of how can you keep that personal, I think that a big part of that is, well, we want to make sure that we're responding, but you also want to make sure that you have that genuine sense of hospitality and the kind of going above and beyond. And I think AI is really good, especially untrained AI, at just answering questions straight up. So, what's the Wi-Fi code at my vacation rental list at this listing? A guest could ask, and an AI tool could very easily spit out the Wi-Fi code is blank. But that's kind of a cold response. And so you can train the AI and say you are a vacation rental communication expert, and you're focusing on hospitality and providing a good service, and it might say something like, the Wi-Fi in the so great question, so sorry you didn't see it, but happy to provide that for you. This is what the Wi-Fi is. If you have any other questions, there is a guidebook here if I can be of assistance or help you, book a reservation somewhere, or kind of take that next step, right? That's the level of personalization that's really at the heart of hospitality.
What do you think vacation rentals are going to look like in 5 years with this rise of AI?
A really, really robust implementation of AI down the road could look something like, you stayed at a property in one asset class, like a hotel or a short-term rental, in a different market. And all of a sudden you're a traveler and you want to find somewhere else to go. I could see the entire journey of that traveler being touched and governed by AI, from search of where do I want to go, and having the result be something based on your likes and wants, and being able to plan, hey, this is a 2-hour drive for a weekend and you're going away on this kind of a trip, and this type of a stay is great for a big group because that's the trip that you're going on, and it's also family friendly, and this vacation rental property offers cribs and accommodations, and by the way, you have a dog, so it's automatically filtering out pet friendly rentals, and then all the way going through the chat and talking to you in a way that is how you like to communicate.